Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a sprint in ClickUp. Just follow me till the end and don't miss any important step. So let's get started. First you have to be on ClickUp workspace. In space where you want to create the sprint, click on the App Center. In the App Center, choose all Click apps, then scroll down and find Sprints. Once found, toggle it on to enable sprints for that space. Now close the App Center and go back to your space. Here click the plus icon, select Sprint folder and give your folder a name. Also set your time estimate and start date. Then review automation option if on the business plan or click create. Then review. Inside the sprint folder, create a new list. You can add to-do list and add your task, then assign tasks to team members, set their priorities and due dates, and manage them in pod view. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.